Thank you for your interest on our online training solutions. At this particular time, I'm going to give you a demo on what you get when you actually subscribe to one of our libraries. The first thing is you go to idtonlinetraining.com to redeem your vouchers, or once you have already a subscription, to actually activate or play any of the videos that are actually recorded for certification purposes. But if you have not done anything yet, what you do is you actually click on register and fill in all the information that is required in here and type in the voucher that the sales personnel will be sending to you. Once you've done that, then you will have access to the entire portion that you have actually purchased. For demo purposes, I'm going to actually use my name at this particular time. So I'm going to be logging in into the system, and once I do that, I actually will be placed on the dashboard, which allows me to see information about what I've actually purchased, and information such as my profile, which I could actually change, messages, and so on, or announcements that are actually made throughout the system. You can also redeem a voucher right here on the top. If we go into the Learn portion, you will see all the different courses that are actually available. So if I actually want to see courses that are related to Cisco, I can click on Cisco and I can see all the courses that are actually inside the library that pertain to Cisco. Once again, you will get exactly what you purchase, or you can actually opt to purchase the entire library. You can see courses in here such as CCNA, CCNA Boys, CCNP, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and actually click on CompTIA courses, and in there you will see courses such as A+, the CompTIA Cloud Certification, Mobility Certification, A+, Network+, Linux+, and so on. And you see here multiple topics such as, project management, Oracle, Microsoft courses that are actually part of this system, or LMS. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to actually pick one of the courses in here, such as maybe something like 70-464, which is a developing course on SQL. So I'm going to go ahead and play that particular course. And the beauty of this particular LMS is that everything is actually laid out on a certification base with all the different modules. So you'll see all the different modules. You also see if the course actually contains flashcards, gamifications, your outline. And as you actually go into every single one of the modules, then you'll have a chance to take tests. You also have a chance to actually share information with others, or participate in a social media environment in this particular LMS. So I'm going to go ahead and play module number 1. And you see that module number 1 is actually composed of multiple portions. So it's the introduction, introduction to SQL Server 2012, a demo, and so on. So I'm going to actually go ahead and play a couple of portions in here for your enjoyment, so you can see how this actually displays.
Welcome to the Microsoft 464 Designing Databases Preparation class. My name is Mike Mansfield. I have authored books for Cybex on SQL Server 2008 with Mike Lee. I have been in IT about 31 years. About 3 years ago, I was a data architect for several years at a company called ASI.
I'm going to stop it right here, and then I'm going to actually play a portion on the demo so that you can see what it's all about. You're also able to actually
let's take a look at SQL Server Management Studio for 2012.
Complete full screen.
While this is opening, pay particular attention to the windows that will be open as
and replicate what you're actually seeing here.
Notice that this says Daniel AI
at work.
That's the name of this machine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cheat and pretend I don't know the name of the instance. I have no idea what this instance of SQL is named. Okay? So what I can do if I want...
I'm going to go ahead and actually pick a different technology so that you have you can see a different flavor of another technology, and I'm actually going to go ahead and pick something like virtualization, VMware, and I'm going to go ahead and play this VMware vSphere course. And I'm going to actually go ahead and select something like configuring virtual machines so that you can see that it's also modularized.
So in this section, I want to talk to you about configuring virtual machines. And this is what it's all about, right? The ability to create whatever machine type I need to on a single box. So instead of having one OS on a server, I might have 10 or 20 OSs on a server of different flavors and types, and that's all made possible through virtualization. Okay, so with that being said, let's take a look at what virtual machines really are. VMs are software-defined machines that rely on generic hardware drivers. So basically VMs, whenever they're created, we're going to choose the properties of the machine, and then it's going to provide those.
And as you can see, we have tons of different areas, such as where you can actually share information among everybody on the LMS. You can get pertinent information about other things like security, or you can connect with other people that are part of the LMS too. We want to bring an experience that is actually a full experience to the client so that they can get their certification, and while they get the certification, they actually have fun and meet some other learners. One more detail that I want to present before I actually finish is, as you can see, we have tons of different topics that are part of the library, and you can actually purchase several libraries, or you can purchase the entire library, or you can purchase a Microsoft a specific library, or so on. But we have topics such as, QuickBooks, CISSP on security, CAH certification, Oracle certification, project management certification, all levels of security, Android, Six Sigma, Greenbelt, CSM, Scrum, information technology, ITIL, PMI, and so on. So the value that we're bringing with this library is incredible. And once again, you can enjoy your subscription based on what you have purchased. Once again, this is Juan Rodriguez, and I really thank you for being interested on our product. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.